Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whitebox Wednesday video here at XpertVR. In today's Whitebox, we're going to be looking at a current project that XpertVR is working to complete. For those of you who have been following us for a while, you would have seen the first environment of the Search and Rescue Firefighter training simulation that we created for Conestoga College. Now for those of you who are new here, or for those who might have missed a video and are unfamiliar with this project, here's a quick little video snippet that explains and showcases this course simulation. The simulation involves training on forcible home entry, safe victim extractions from burning homes, Mayday callouts, and tutorials on how to use day-to-day equipment. If you found this interesting and want to learn more about this course, click the link below to watch the full video on our YouTube or read our case study on XpertVR's website. Now let's take a look at this whitebox of the second environment and 2.0 version of the search and rescue simulation that our team is working to complete. A lot of this is shot from the first person point of view, and as you can see, here's a quick little view of the front of the house. And as we continue to walk in, we can see the living room, the study and dining room. In the back here is the kitchen, the garage, and the backyard and deck, which has a nice little mountain view. This space pretty much makes up the entire ground floor of this home. Now this is a multi-leveled home, and this simulation offers accessible player movement, so let's take a look at some of the rooms upstairs. Here is the master bedroom and washroom, and at the end of the hall are the two other rooms. Now continuing with this fun little white box house tour, let's walk down and take a look at the basement. We can see this dummy robot, which is a placeholder to give us a little visualization of how it would look like for avatars standing in this space. Here's the 360 scope of the entire basement and the many different rooms down here, including another bedroom, the laundry room, another bathroom, the basement storage room, and obviously the main room here, which as you can see also leads to an exit into the backyard. With that being said, that pretty much ends this house tour. And all jokes aside, all of these rooms can be accessed and used in training scenes for XpertVR's Search and Rescue 2.0 simulation, or in short, SAR 2.0. Firefighting is a very hands-on profession, and without the proper preparation, it can almost be impossible to know if you're ready to face the demanding pressures of the job. That's why we are very proud to have worked with Conestoga College to develop this hands-on search and rescue VR training simulation. All in all, this week's video was all about taking a deeper dive and showcasing the beginning phases of our own projects. SAR 2.0 adds a lot of exciting features that we look forward to sharing with you soon. So stay tuned and make sure you don't miss this exciting VR simulation. With that being said, that's a wrap to this week's Whitebox Wednesday video. Let us know in the comments if you enjoyed this video and want to see more white boxes of our previous projects. Have a great day. Take care.